It's Joe Andrews for Joss Moses Kitchen. Today I'm preparing an easy one-pot Udupi style vegetable pulao. So don't waste time, let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe serves 4 to 5 guests. Onto a blender, a handful of mint leaves, 8 pieces of green chilies, 2 small pieces of cinnamon stick, 4 pieces of cardamom, 4 pieces of cloves, a piece of star anise, a teaspoon of fennel seed, 1 tablespoon of black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric, small piece of ginger, 6 cloves of garlic, 1 cup of grated coconut. Add 1 cup of water and blend it to a fine paste like this. The green paste is ready. Keep aside. Basmati rice 2.5 cup, washed and soaked for 30 minutes. Onto a pan, 1 cup of oil. When the oil is hot, 2 pieces of bay leaf, half teaspoon of fennel seed, half teaspoon of cumin seed, 150 grams of onion slice, and saute for 2 minutes. Add 500 grams of diced potatoes, 300 grams of carrots, 1 tablespoon of salt, and saute for 2 minutes. Add the green paste, stir it well, and saute for 3 minutes. You can see the oil is separating, that means spices are cooked. Add 1 cup of boiled green peas, 1 small piece of sliced tomatoes, 5 cups of water. Combine well. Check the salt and add the salt just enough to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Combine well. Let it simmer and get into rolling boiling. As soon as it starts boiling, squeeze half juice of lemon, give a quick stir, add the rice, stir it. Don't stir vigorously, it will break the rice. When the rice and water come to this stage, turn the heat very low. Cover it and dum for 20 minutes. It will be perfectly good rice. Fluff it from the side. When you start fluffing, you will get a feel that it will be overcooked. But no, it will be perfectly good when it's fluffed up, and leave it for some time. All the rice will be perfectly cooked and it will be a exact Udupi style pulao rice. Don't compare this rice to the biryani because this is little bit sticky than biryani. Enjoy. The rice we made, it's ready. The fragrance are so good. Wow, just melts in your mouth. Beautiful. Enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel, Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. Not only this rice, there are a lot of rice recipes I made. I will give the links in the description box. this recipe? Have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried it? And what about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Make sure you try it and let me know how it is.